Hello friends, welcome to your channel Phenomen. Today we will be discussing the one NFO that is based on the Nifty Small Cap 50 Index. So let's start the video. Axis Mutual Fund has launched its Nifty Small Cap 50 Index Fund NFO, and this NFO has already opened on the 21st Feb and will going to close on 7th March 2022. So let's start the insight of the NFO. Basically, these are the objective of the NFO. It is basically an open-ended fund to provide the return that are closely related to the returns of the Nifty Small Cap 50 Index subject to the tracking error. Yes, you will get the exposure of the all 50 stocks which are there in the Nifty Small Cap 50. So it is a very good fund from the small cap category. The fund manager who will be managing this fund is Mr. Jignesh Gopani. Now let's further explore the features and benefits. So first features is high potential for the growth. As you all know that small cap are high risk, high return index, because small cap stocks perform very outstanding, and when it comes to falling, it also falls very drastically. So this provide higher potential for growth in terms of return and in terms of risk. So risk attached to this fund is very extremely higher as compared to the mid cap and large cap. Now here you will get a portfolio diversification, because you will investing in this fund, you will get the exposure of the top 50 stocks from the Nifty 250 small cap index. So the stocks will be selected, all the top 50 stocks will be selected from the Nifty 250 small cap index. Cost effects, as you know, investing in the fund is much relatively low as compared to the active funds in terms of expense ratio, exit load, etc. The exit load is almost nil in index fund, and expense ratio is almost negligible in the index fund. Now this fund will focus on those most stock which are liquid in nature, that is buying and selling is happening in that stock, that is more liquid stocks. Now emphasis is given to the larger float. Higher weightage is given to those companies who are better in their business, that is popular companies they will select for the investment purpose. Now this fund is ideal for long-term investor who are seeking to invest for the long run and want to create a wealth in the long run. These are not suitable for the short-term investor. Now we will discuss what will be the sectors. These are the top sectors in this fund. The first sector will be financial sector, will have a weightage of around 34.54%. Then technology sector having a weightage of around 18%. Then FMCG consumer sector will have a weightage of around 10%. Pharma sector will have a weightage of around 6.80% approximately. Media and entertainment will have a weightage of around 5%, and fertilizer sector will have around weightage of 4%. So you will get a complete mix of sector: financial sector, technology sector, pharma sector. So good exposure of sector is also there in this index fund. What will be the top stocks in this fund? So Indian Energy Exchange IEX will have a weightage of around 7.75%. CDSL will have a weightage of around 5.5%. Then IDFC Limited 3.74%. Radico Khaitan will have a weightage of around 3.72%. MCX Limited will have a weightage of around 3.40% approximately. Birlasoft will have a weightage of around same 3.37%. CAMS will have a weightage of around 3%. So good exposure of small cap company as well. And finally we will discuss this scheme detail. Fund manager is Mr. Jignesh Gopani. NFO will close on 7th March 2022. Of course, the benchmark will be Nifty Small Cap 50 Total Return Index. Exit load will be nil. If you are looking to invest in during the NFO period, then minimum lump sum amount is 5,000 rupees. Additional purchase will require 1,000 rupees lump sum, and minimum SIP you can invest in this fund is rupees 1,000. Now who can invest in this fund? Since as you all know, small cap stocks are high risky. So if you are high risk investor and if you willing to take high risk, then you definitely invest in this NFO. But if you are a conservative investor, then you can avoid it. If you feel that video is useful to you, then please do like our video and please subscribe to our channel Phenomen if you have still not subscribed it, and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. And also please comment it in the comment box on which topic you want to watch the next videos.